What you don't like about Maine?
I guess everything.
Kailangan ko din bang sagutin yung what I don't like about all of you. Yung mga sagot nyo. Hindi, yung mga sagot nyo, yun yung ayoko. Charot. Joke. Kidding. Yo, welcome to Guitar Game. Okay, so I have a question for you that I've searched in the internet. What's your biggest pet peeve?
Siguro yung pet peeve ko yung last invite. I hate yung taong i-invite ko pag pag
Out of option?
yeah, like late invite. Ayun, may ganun kasing tao eh. I mean yung itatawagan ka pag pag late na. Yung parang ganun kasi it makes you feel like option ka lang. Kasi in the first place you're not part of the plan.
For me,
Yeah, how about you?
what I don't like the most is the friends who are talking behind your back. Like, let's say, friends. I had some of these people, like, they talked about a certain person in front of me. They talk bad about him, about that person. But in their faces, they're like really good with them. You know that yung para siyang two-faced. I don't like the two-faced friends. Like, if you're good to me, you be good to me. If you're civil to me, be civil to me. If you're close with me, be close with me. Like, don't act close with me and then you're gonna say bad things behind my back. Yeah.
How do you spend your free time?
That's actually kind of interesting question because lately I don't have a free time. But if I have a free time, I usually do is read any kinds of books, of course, and Bible, quiet time, and cleaning. Yun talaga yung nagte-take up ng time ko. Like, hindi ako napapakali sa isang place. I have to move. Kasi active ako eh. I'm a person who's active, so I have to either cook or clean. Linis talaga, moving around. How about you?
Okay, so mahilig pala maglinis to. Linisin mo ang bahay ko. Mahilig pala maglinis eh.
So, I swear, ang ganda-ganda ng bahay mo eh.
Yes. Parang hindi ako makarelate doon. Kasi, I mean, yeah, I clean. Pero yung free time ko, I think, I always choose to sleep. Wow. And if hindi man, I go out and play some active games. Like, billiards. Yeah, bowling. I even play alone. Yeah, I don't mind like playing alone, like bowling, billiards, like doing jet ski alone. So I don't mind that. So yeah.
Okay, so next question is, what's the funniest moment you've experienced?
Funniest. Yeah, I still remember. Like I guess I was second year in high school. Yeah, nakapila ako sa CR sa toilet. And I have a friend of mine. So since puno occupied lahat ng cubicle, so we were waiting outside and I kept making jokes, telling jokes. And so since naiihi yung kaibigan ko, napaihi siya sa niya. Kasi alam ko naiihi na siya. So what I did, I make a lot of jokes, like fun stories. Alam mo yun? Tapos, until nung nakita ako, parang nag-cross legs na lang siya. Tapos, nakita ko yung medyas niya. Yung white naging yellow. What? Like, what the? Umihi ka? So, just like, and she's like, and while she's laughing, she's crying kasi she's umihi na siya. So she had to leave. She had to go home. That's it. Sobrang fun lang nun.
Next question is, what's a red flag about you?
Towards someone or towards friends? or in general, yeah. Maybe I I changed my mind like in the last minute. Like
Someone.
hindi no, like parang like there are some time na some happenings na like I planned the gala
Okay.
and everything, and
You are the one who's not coming.
yeah, and that time ako yung hindi pumunta. So wala lang, like I just changed my mind like suddenly. So I think it's not good as well. Yeah, it's inappropriate and it's rude. Lang, ikaw, how about you?
The biggest red flag about me is my moods. Like it changes so quickly. Like now I'm happy. If some small problem irritates me, I will be mad, angry, or sad. Like yeah, generally my mood swings, and I'm working about that. I'm working about myself, and I saw it as a red flag. You know.
How do you manage that kind of aura na hindi halatang like problematic ka or stress ka? So,
Ganun
yan.
ba? Ako, maintain ko yung aura na ganito. Siyempre, dapat no jowa, no problem. That's why. And dapat healthy living, jogging, and surrounding with good friends, genuine friends.
Jowa is the main problem.
Yeah.
Do you agree with that?
I think it's not the jowa, but it's the toxic relationship is the problem. No, it's the toxic relationship is the problem. If you are in a healthy relationship, you will feel, comfortable, you will feel blessed, and initially you will be happy if you are in a healthy relationship. But my friend here, she really don't want jowa. Too much jowa, more drama.
She's more nonchalant. She's a nonchalant woman. Yeah. It's kind of hard to get her.
How do you handle breakup?
How I handle breakup. It's more of distracting yourself from other things. Like gala, ganon.
Like right now?
Yes, like right now, coffee sa labas and meeting new people. Not like dating, just meeting your friends, something like that. So, yeah, and also, most important, like, pray and cry. Cry it out to God. So, ayun lang.
Crying is very helpful, especially if you are full of emotions. So it's a way of expressing yourself that you are, letting go. You are vulnerable. You're hurt, and of course, if you cry, you should also pray and let it to God.
How do you handle breakup?
For me, because I'm kind of emotionally weak, I tend to isolate myself, and I make myself occupied with a lot of things, especially my mind. I do a lot of reading, and I think going out with friends, seeing new places, seeing new friends, and that's it. Just not. I don't want to leave my mind empty, so reading and talking and everything.
I have a question. That's a good answer, no?
Alright.
Yeah. Possible ba maging friends yung ex?
It depends with how the relationship ended, I guess. Because if you ended it badly, I think you cannot be friends. But if you ended it in a good way, and if time permits, na you are both healed, you are both moved on, I guess it's possible to be friends, because it's a sign of being matured enough to, because there are also happy memories inside the relationship. It's not just about bad memories, and it's not about breakup. So I guess it's possible. How about you?
Yes, I agree. Like, maybe after some time, you can be friends together.
Yes.
Not like right away after you broke up, like friends agad. No, you can't. you will not,
Be feelings.
yeah, you will not control your feelings. So parang possible lang din bumalik. Maybe mas okay yun after some time. You can be friends. And we have same thoughts.
We have a new guest. Si Joshua. Si Joshua yung kinain ng isda. Ay, si Jonah pala yun. Si Jonah pala yun. Ikaw pala yung nakasira sa sa wall ni Jericho. How do you show your love to someone? Like in family, in friends? What's your love language na lang pala?
Yung giving ko, act of service.
And you're receiving?
Receiving ko, words of affirmation. So, gusto ko kasi yung binobola ako. Kahit naman alam ko yung kahit alam mo yun, yung kahit alam mong bola, I mean, I still consider that as, masarap sa feeling. Yun, words of affirmation. So, I'm not after sa gifts.
We have another question from Joshua.
How do you handle your fears?
So, how I handle my fear? Actually, siguro through praying. Kasi yun lang naman eh. Praying, yun lang. Yun lang yung pinaka common question. So, kasi even though naman you pray, andun pa rin yung fear eh, but the fact that you are trusting someone who's bigger than your problem and your fear is more greater than anything else in life.
How I handle my fears. Parang hindi ko masasagot niyan kasi I don't have fear. Charot lang. It's very given. It's very given na you feel the fear. Pero I mean in general how I handle that through praying pa din eh. Praying talaga kasi you cannot ask help from others. Kasi like even the smartest person here won't help you to conquer yourself, your fears. Yan lang, pray talaga to God.
Prayer then and call in Jesus' name. Yun lang. Nasagot na lahat nila eh. Basta pray na lang. And trust Jesus. That's it.
Isa rin yung answer kasi by prayer talaga din. Kailangan na isik mo talaga si Lord. Anong ganun. Tumawag ka lang sa Kanya. Hello, Lord. Sige,
Ano yung gusto mong maalala sa'yo ng tao?
I want to be remembered as a generous and trustworthy person. Kasi for me, trust is such a big thing. And hindi siya ganun kadali na ibigay sa ibang tao.
As being a kind person and the smile within me, the happiness.
Ano pala yung smile? Ako na ba? Okay. For me, I want to be remembered as how genuine person I am. Kaya malalayo kung gaano ako ka. Ano yan? One of a kind na makilala yung kwan. Yung nag-iisang Leslie lang sa buhay nyo. Yun.
How about you, MJ?
Siguro yung pagiging one call away. Kasi I have that good side na like pag alam ko yung tao like may problem, like I'm very one call away. Yan lang. Maganda kasi yung maalala sa'yo ng tao na parang pag may problema yung tao na yun, like, maalala ka, like automatically, kasi ikaw yung unang tatawagan. So, I want to be remembered like as a one call away.
MJ, I have problem. Pwede pa utang? Ganon. Walo ka lang, hindi ka maalala.
Oh, ito na.
Pautang ka, MJ.